Wish you all a happy and blessed Foundation Day. Our founder father, Saint Kuriakos Elias Chavara, and Father Leopold Beccaro, when started the convent, they desired that all our convents should be a citadel of virtues. As we celebrate the 161 Foundation Day, it is good to reflect on the mind of our founders. There are two important things that are to happen in the citadel of virtues. Try to be virtuous and teach others how to be virtuous. We know citadel, it is a place where goodness never fails. As much as we are in union with God, we will be able to proclaim or reflect goodness. It is possible only by the deepening of our relationship with God. When there is no depth in our spiritual life, there will also be no growth in virtues. Spiritual competition is a part of it. Compete each other to make others happy. In a world where spirituality loses its meaning and spiritual life is diminishing, we religious has to live a life as a symbol of heavenly life, a life united with God. If a CMC house is a heaven, then we have to show the specialities of the inmates of heaven, who are the angels and the saints. We know the angels follow the God man relationship and always dare to help out. If so, when it is said that the CMCs are like angels, we have a great responsibility to follow and help out our brothers and sisters in their God seeking journey. Other characteristics of these angels are the inner joy which is expressed on our faces. Mupachan says, sisters who are not virtuous are not happy. Good sisters are always bright and happy. Saint Teresa of Avila reminds us, Carmel is not a place for the gloomy. If CMC has to become a citadel of virtues, the most important element is the spiritual exercises that are to be done perfectly and continuously. It is said, you complain that you cannot meditate, cannot concentrate, but the reason for this is your indisciplined way of life. It is simply lack of leading a regulated life. If you have a disciplined life, contemplative life will become easy, enjoying an unbreakable relationship with God. It is from these produce the fragrance of sanctity. Today, we have to remain before the world as daughters of holiness. Mupachan reminds us, unless the dust of the world is fully removed, we won't be able to spread the fragrance of sanctity. I would like to remind you a term, base aroma, a raised house which is seen by all. It is a house, a home. All the characteristics of a home should be there. The warmth of love, care, affection, concern, unity, happiness, oneness, belongingness. Another name given to these raised houses by Saint Chavara is Darshana Bhavanam. CMC to become a base aroma, we have to reflect God in our lives. Thus, having good and deep relationship with God and others, we become real models, and through us will reflect God's presence. Let us focus on this and try to be a base aroma to the place where we are. Remember, our greatness should be seen in our noble attitude and sweet behavior, entrusting everyone to the care and protection of our Blessed Mother. Once again, I wish you all a happy and blessed Foundation Day. Jai Yeshu.